ng ghost at substandard.
Doon. Ayan si Janice, asawa ni Ding. Si Diana, anak ni Ding, mga anak ko. Ang lalaki. Daniela, anak ni Ding yan. Ayan si Dianis. So, may asawa na, oh. Ay, asawa ni Dianis. So. Daming dessert. Sa gawa nito? Mama mo? Kailan mo ginawa yung kagabi?
Ito po kanina umaga. This pistol. Biko.
Biko. Ayan si Ding.
Nahihilo ako sa laki ng mga bata.
I was taking your
Een normale of voor in de lees?
36, 37.
Within the 2-3 months.
Doon kayo sa labas, marami pagkain doon. You can eat first, tingnan mo.
Mayat din kayo.
4 kilos, tinaba.
Si Jennifer, grabe. Ang laki ng tiyan. Puro kain ng kain.
Ay.
Parang medyo okay na. Grabe yung pisngi na yun.
Ako 4 kilos.
5 kilo ata na ano niya. Kasi kain sa Japan, kain sa...
Ay.
Kain.
Si Jidin.
Okay naman na ba po?
Okay na.
Opo. Mas okay yung dinitirahan niya ngayon kasi wala masyadong hagdanan eh.
Ay,
Kasi dati niyang bahay, di ba?
ayan ang bagong kasal. Oh. New married.
Everything alone, no?
Alone?
Yes.
Oh, siya,
Painting also?
Everything.
siya lang.
Gustavo? That's the brother of my husband.
The floor, all.
You do the floor?
It's all.
Papyun ko?
Yeah, Chue. Is understanding thing.
We have also
Yeah.
2 dogs and 2 cats, my goodness. Yeah.
My cats are like dogs, they can use sit, high five.
Sino yung pugi-pugi niya yan? Sino yan? Sino? Ah, tsaka sino yan? Oh. Lalaki na, hindi ko na kayo nakilala, hindi na nakilala ni Lola, oh. Hindi kayo nagpapakita kay Lola. Oh. Si Diana.
When I take off the
Ikinimer, ha? Diana?
wardrobe,
If you go to work in the city too, I don't know you, ha?
so I have to.
It's, you are so
But you
big
can see
girl.
here, this
Yan si
amateur.
Daniela.
And the corners, this is amateur.
Ini-explain ni Brian yung mga ginawa niya. Siya lang kasi gumawa dito. Siya lang gumawa ng bahay niya.
Yeah, it's also because it's cheaper, huh? Yes.
So you have to see upstairs. I do also the bureau and the room already. But next is, I don't know. Maybe this I do okay.
It's very, yeah.
Ginawa, siya lang gumawa nito lahat, pati sa mga kwarto niya doon sa taas.
Kuya na din. Si Ding din eh, maano eh. Nice.
This is all brand new. I just buy it now. It's 2 weeks ago.
New one, huh?
Now I'm broke. I have no money anymore.
You're still working, so you can still have money, Brian.
I'm broke. My bank is zero.
But you're still working, so every month you have a salary.
Nice house, but my bank is zero.
It's okay, you
Have
have
your cat.
you have the house, so
Ganda na, ayos niya na maganda. Luma-luma na rin pala ito na.
oh. Tinanggal niya lahat dyan, mga cabinet, sa ano.
When you do it alone.
Siya lang gumawa talaga mag-isa.
Ngayon, tidiyan ni Sign ako. The cat lover niya. The quick cup niya. The meshes. Oh, hello. As a mesh, this girl of
Jongen, hij heeft niet meer. Het is gedaan. Hij is niks.
Oh, yeah.
5 days ago, no, Thursday is operation.
Also,
Yeah, that's why my bank is 0 now because of the cuts and because
that's
of the
why I thought Yanis her cut has the vaccination and also sterilization. Oh, says
Meron din si Dianis.
oh, dalawa. Si Taba at saka si Lucy. Lucy is crazy, ah. I'll smoke you.
Dito ang aking anak, ang mga apo, nag-ipon-ipon.
How old is he?
5 months.
Oh, 5 months pa lang. That's why it's
Still a baby.
and Lucy
Bij
is...
tiener. Tienertje, hè? Ja, alles kapot maken en nu.
Si Marilyn yung magbabay
We
dito.
have also the girl, 1 year, is also crazy. She eats bread. You left the bread on the table, she will eat.
Look, I will show you. With the candy.